Stages of civil appeal. An aggrieved party from the judgment and decree of trial court will file civil appeal before the district judge under section 96 CPC. After filing of appeal, there will be summon process. There are 4 sources of summon process: bailiff, through courier, through posting, through publication. The notice will be sent to respondent side through bailiff. In case respondent failed to appear before the court, then the second stage of summons. The summons will be sent through courier service, UMS, register post ID, or any other source of communication. In case through courier service, if respondent failed to appear before the court, the pasting process, the summons will be pasted before the door of respondent. In case after pasting process, if respondent failed to appear before the court, the final summons process, the summons will be published through any newspaper. The publication is final process of summons. After publication, if respondent failed to appear before the court, court will announce final judgment and decree ex parte. In case during the summon process, respondent appear before the court, they will file objections on civil appeal. Who will file objections? That is called respondent. After filing of objections, then will be final argument between the parties from both sides, appellant side and respondent side. After final argument, then the court will announce the final judgment and decree between the parties. An aggrieved party from the judgment and decree of trial court will file civil appeal under section 96 CPC before the district judge.